This is an automatic clamping bottle washing machine designed for beverage production lines. The machine automatically grips bottles and removes dust and impurities before filling. It improves bottle cleanliness and provides a reliable preparation process for beverage packaging. Next is the automatic four-head piston filling machine for beverage bottles. The four filling heads operate simultaneously to increase production efficiency. The piston filling system provides accurate volume control for different liquid products. It is widely used for juice, drinks, and other liquid food packaging applications. The automatic four-wheel bottle screw capping machine completes the final sealing process. For precision, wheels tighten caps smoothly and ensure stable sealing performance. The machine is suitable for beverage bottles and high-speed production lines. A complete automatic bottling solution for beverage manufacturers worldwide.